Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, I want to show you AORUS GeForce RTX registered 4090 Master 24G review. AORUS GeForce RTX registered 4090 Master 24G. Specification: Graphics processing: GeForce RTX registered 4090, core clock, TBD, CUDA registered cores, 16384, memory clock, 21 gigabits per second, memory size, 24 gigabytes, memory type, GDDR6X, memory bus, 384-bit, card bus, PCIe 4.0, digital max. Digital max resolution, 7680 by 4320, multi-view, 4, card size, L equals 358.5 W equals 162.8 H equals 75.1 mm, PCB form, ATX, DirectX, 12 Ultimate, OpenGL, 4.6, recommended PSU, 1000 watts, power connectors, 16-pin *1, output, DisplayPort 1.4 *3, HDMI 2.1 *1, key feature. NVIDIA Ada Lovelace streaming multiprocessors, up to 2x performance and power efficiency, 4th generation Tensor cores, up to 2x AI performance, 3rd generation RT cores, up to 2x ray tracing performance. Powered by GeForce RTX registered 4090, integrated with 24GB GDDR6X 384-bit memory interface, WindForce cooling system, LCD edge view, RGB fusion, dual BIOS, protection metal backplate, anti-sag bracket, 4 years warranty. WindForce cooling system. The evolving power of WindForce. The WindForce cooling system features 3 110mm newly designed bionic shark fans, alternate spinning, 13 composite copper heat pipes, a large vapor chamber directly touches the GPU. 3D active fans and screen cooling, which together provide high-efficiency heat dissipation. Cooling, upscaled. AORUS Bionic Fan Tech. The shark's dermal denticles surrounding their body grant them significant advantages in fluid dynamics. Now AORUS features new bionic fan tech that mimics the scale microsurfacing and efficiently increases airflow by reducing microturbulence. Double ball bearing. The double ball bearing structure has better heat endurance and efficiency than sleeve structure. Channeled airflow. Angular fin design. The angular and unequal fin's height can channel the airflow through the fins and enlarge the contact surface directly. So fast. Large vapor chamber and heat pipe. The large vapor chamber directly contacts the GPU, coupled with the composite heat pipes, which quickly transfers the heat of the GPU and VRAM to the heatsink. The other way around. Alternate spinning. Each fan rotates in different direction to the adjacent one. This special mechanism reduces turbulence and increases air pressure by minimizing the offset occurred between airflows. 3D active fan. The 3D active fan provides semi-passive cooling, and the fans will remain off when the GPU is in a low load or low power game. Make room for the airflow. Screen cooling. To create more space for airflow to pass through, the heatsink extends over the PCB and therefore increase the ventilation. This screen cooling design provides better heat dissipation. LCD edge view. The LCD monitor displays not only graphics card information, but also various favorite texts, pictures, and GIFs. You can also adjust lighting effects via Gigabyte Control Center. Enthusiast. Various GPU and VRAM status such as temperature, clock, usage and fan speed can be selected for real-time monitoring. Custom text. Customize the texts and fonts. Custom image. Support JPG, BMP and PNG file types. You can crop the image to fit. Custom GIF. Display a favorite GIF video. Chibi time. Team up fight on. RGB fusion. The legendary 3-ring lighting provides excellent visual enjoyment. You can choose any lighting effect or synchronize with other devices in Gigabyte Control Center. Dual BIOS. The factory default setting is OC mode, which provides users with the best performance. However, switching to silent mode will enjoy a quieter experience. Protection metal back plate. The metal back plate not only provides an aesthetical shape, but also enhances the structure of the graphics card to provide complete protection. Power indicators. When experiencing any power supply abnormality, the indicator will alert gamers by flashing light. Video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, make sure to please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button.